River Uzet is in the east.
How can it be Ketura's passion?
Were you not the one that chose to coin first?
What is your problem, Tara?
What is your problem?
Now you both stretch your hands for more powers. Now, you go into the kingdom and acquire more powers for yourself.
Rubiata, goddess of the West Secrets, go with Venuela to Ventus' track. There you shall see him. Get him.
That's a beautiful bracelet.
For he shall test the split flesh. I needed you. I wanted to test the flesh of mortals. Remain and die here.
Oh my God! Get it!
How dare you, Ketura? How dare you release him and stop my guest with power? Cease your movement! What the hell do you think you're doing? And to the knights and the mortals in my own culture. This kingdom belongs to our father, and Lady Sullivan, who is in charge of north and south. You have your own territory, Terra. Why penetrating into my heart and innocent souls? Throw in a battle line, you know. If that is what you want, then so be it. We shall see.
That side. That side. There you go. You know you are my daughter. I have tried to stop you from this issue of being the princess of the rain. You refuse. You insist because you want to be a celebrity. Well, follow your mind. If your mind tells you, go ahead. But there is one thing I want you to put in front of your mind, not at the back of your mind. You're laughing. Anybody you see along the way, treat him good, because you may not know when you meet a good spirit and you treat him wrong. That could hinder your success. Inano?
What if he's a bad person?
Treat him good though. Inano? Continue what you're doing.
What? You brought me here?
Yes.
And what kind of joke is this? I will flush the hell out of you little creatures now if you don't tell me exactly why you brought me here.
Some leaves and trees are spirits.
Strange. We were sleeping together. What? Oh my. Please, why are you cooking?
I am day.
I am the night. I guess you want to be the crown princess of the ring.
Yes,
and you need the 7 mystic power.
Yes. Yes, I.
Good. Then you must be our wife for 7 days, making love to us day and night. Then at the 7th day, we will give you the 7 mystical powers of the princess of the rain.
Over my dead body. Our chief priest didn't tell us this.
And we will make love with you here now.
And we will have you by force. We'll do it by force. I'll do it by force.
We will meet her.
There.
What happened? Where are others? The witches! Wow! So the gods have decided to help me by bringing me close to Miracle Stream, the abode of the goddess of the rain. That's the decanter! The chief priest said we were going to find it here. I am the princess of the rain!
Stop!
Who are you people, please?
We are the trees. Wind and ocean. I want to know how smart you are. We shall always protect you whenever it's left of food in Abu, as a mother place. But what about the hills, river, and other creatures? Continue our journey and keep the rules and regulations.
Let's complete what you have started. Let's complete what you have started. Let's make love.
No, Rawan! No!
Let's make
Rawan! No!
Let's make love.
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry to have disturbed you, honestly.
You have decided to replace her. Good. I like them sleep.
What are you talking about? And who are you?
I am Day, and I know your mission, which can be only succeeded only if you be my wife for 7 days, and I will make love to you by day, and my brother, Night, will make love to you by night.
Then two things are involved.
Which is...
death and life.
Then I shall kill you and still make love to you.
That is my mission here. To die.
She's the lucky one.
Ola Mmiri ewo. Oga di na chukwa ko buru Ola Mmiri ewo. Ola ewo. Ola Mmiri ewo. Akaye na chukwa ko buru Ola Mmiri ewo. Ola ewo. Ola Mmiri ewo. Ego na chukwa ko buru Ola Mmiri ewo. Ola ewo. Ola Mmiri ewo. Ifunanya na chukwa ko buru Ola Mmiri eya. Ola ewo. Ola Mmiri ewo. Onye ga-adịka ya ewo. Onye ga-adịka ya ewo. Ola ewo. Ola Mmiri ewo. Onye ga-adịka ya ewo. Onye ga-adịka ya ewo. Ola ewo. Ola Mmiri ewo. Obiọma na-achọkwa ka ọ bụrụ Ola Mmiri ewo. Ola ewo. Ola Mmiri ewo. Ọcha na-achọkwa ka ọ bụrụ Ola Mmiri ewo. Ola ewo. Ola Mmiri ewo. Ụgbọala na-achọkwa ka ọ bụrụ Ola Mmiri eya. Ola ewo. Ola Mmiri ewo. Ewo 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 ewo. Ewo. Ola Mmiri ewo. Onye ga-adịka ya ewo. Onye yiri ya ewo. Ewo. Ola Mmiri.
I'm missing you, Bola.
Obidio, are you sure these girls are going to come back? It's quite unusual. You see, from what my father told me about this mission, and the one I have experienced since my youth, no group has ever stayed up to a month and 2 weeks. I still remember how my father would contort his face in sheer horror. Sheer horror, as he narrated to me the events that had occurred before I came into existence. This whole thing really put me to total perplexity.
It has been giving me sleepless nights. Real sleepless nights.
Obidio, maybe these girls have died. The chief priest said he will be sending another group. Another group?
Ajiba, my brother. Ajiba.
For what? I mean, for what? In fact, it is his wife and daughter that will have to go this time around.
Yes, you're right.
Certainly not any of my sisters will go for that. Doesn't he have his head what should be in his hand?
Do I know?
Amam.
But come to think about it, these girls, they love it.
Do they?
They want it. They all aspire to assume the position.
Hi. Although, I would like to have such brave girl as wife.
Anyubo!
But none of my sisters will go for such journey. None of them.
Wise man.
Not when I'm alive.
Anybody will never take a shot.
My daughter. Ocha, my daughter. Where is it? Or give number.
My son, you said you don't want to marry the princess. Who then do you want to marry?
You said what you want is a celebrity. Let's wait for the girls that went for Minocha. Whoever becomes the queen shall be my wife then.
Good. That's a good one. By tomorrow, I shall gather everything that is needed for the marriage. Because this wedding will be the best this village has ever witnessed.
Welcome to the special part of the forest, where you must eat before entering the mirror church.
I heard a voice.
Yes, I am full. Eat me and get refreshed.
Oh, it's like you know that I'm famished. Food.
Welcome to the refreshing part of the forest, where you must eat before entering the mirror church. You can see me, I have food. Eat me.
Food. No. No.
Welcome to the refreshing part of the forest, where you must eat before entering the mirror church.
A strange voice.
Not strange. It's me, the delicious food. Eat me and feel okay.
You little creatures again. After all you did to me, right? You still don't want to let me be, right?
Welcome to the welfare part of the forest.
Who are you?
It's me, a delicious food. Come and eat it.
and get refreshed.
So this forest is so organized. There's even time for food. And we were told to receive the decanter with which we used to fetch the water here. Who dishes this food? Can I at least dish for myself?
Yes, of course. Please, eat.
I'm not eating. This might be an apparition.
Welcome to the refreshing part of the forest, where you must eat before entering the literature.
May I know who speaks with me?
I am food. Eat me and get refreshed.
This idioma is really working. It's directing one to every nook and cranny. This is the land of the food. Mr. Food, my mission here is bigger than food. I'll see you later.